These cookies only need 5 ingredients, but they taste like something from a luxury bakery. There's something about simple recipes that just hit differently. No complicated steps, no long ingredient list, just pure, honest baking. This recipe actually reminds me of the kind of cookies you'd find in an old-school bakery, the kind where butter is the star, and every bite melts before you even finish chewing. It starts with 1 cup of unsalted butter soft, at room temperature. This is where everything begins. If your butter isn't right, your cookies won't be either. 10 comas doster set apart, as they say, up of sugar. Not too much, just enough to give that perfect balance between sweet and buttery. A splash of vanilla extract, and suddenly, your kitchen already smells like cookies before they're even baked. And finally, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt. It's small, but it's the difference between a flat cookie and one that actually has depth. Mix it all together, and what you get isn't just dough. It's something rich, smooth, and almost too good to bake. Shape them. Bake until lightly golden, and that's when it happens. The edges get just a little crisp. The center stays soft, buttery, and almost melts away. These aren't flashy cookies. They don't need chocolate chips or toppings. They're simple, and that's exactly why they work. If you're a baker, you already know simple recipes are the hardest to get right. Try this one, and you'll understand why.